Hey guys, it's Michelle and I'm here again just to show you another beautiful new style from Jon Renau launching for fall 2021. Now this gorgeous wig is called Maya and I have her in the colour FS17 101s18, better known as Palm Springs Blonde. I literally haven't opened this box, so we can do a bit of an unboxing together to show you. Okay guys, so this is the brand new Jon Renau Maya launched for fall 2021. I am wearing her straight from box. As you guys know, when you get a wig from box, you need to give it a bit of a shake. You need to make it your own basically. So what I have here is my Jon Renau white tooth comb and I am just going to very quickly pop a wee comb through this gorgeous style. So you can kind of, this has a full monofilament top, so you can kind of part to the side, you can part down the centre. Of late I've been doing a lot of centre partings. I kind of flip right to left and centre and just like to be really awkward and change it up. But I just kind of go with my mood. If you want some off-the-face styling, we do have this gorgeous temple to temple lace front. We have a full monofilament top which allows you to part it left, right, centre, zigzag, whatever floats your boat. Now this is definitely more of a curly style, which is quite nice because there aren't actually too many curly styles on the market, so it definitely is a bit more of a softer curl rather than a kind of loose beachy wave. Now the front, as you can see, is a bit straighter. You have that kind of swooping curtain bang sort of thing, which I personally really do like, and I think it's great if you're wanting to do something like tie your hair up. For example, like with this wig, it is a kind of medium length. I will talk about the lengths in a second, but if you wanted to just pop her up in a bit of a pony, then you have these kind of swooping bangs and you can kind of tuck anything behind your ear. You can play around. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I don't actually know how that's looking, but I do know that it is certainly very versatile because of how it is created. Okay, so this is standard synthetic fibre. It is an average cap size. Now your front kind of bangs here that we have, that we were talking about, they're 7.5 inches long, okay, from the very front. Then from the crown, we have 9 inches at the crown. At the sides, we have 8 inches, and we have 6.5 inches from the nape. Now, bear in mind the length is the length of the actual hair. Because it does have that curl, it does bounce up slightly, so it does possibly look slightly shorter. Where it's going to fall on you is very dependent on the length of your face, the length of your neck, your body and the likes. I am probably going to be putting wee braids in this and pinning parts up when I'm wearing her. She does come in loads of gorgeous shades, the kind of favourites. So this is Maya. She is absolutely gorgeous. As we've said, lace front, full mono top. It is open wefted sides and back. Let me show you the cap inside very quickly. So we have temple to temple lace front, running back into your single welded monofilament top section, allowing you to part the hair there in any direction. This is all hand tied area, these lace front and this monofilament top. Now we have the open wefts on the back, on the sides, as you guys can see, and on that nape here we have the velcro adjusters so that you can tighten or loosen this. We do have your kind of velvet covered ear tabs here, as you guys can see. Kind of felt covering on the ear tab. Metal stays inside, allows you to bend it, conform it to the shape of your own head. The idea of the wefts on the side and back, this part is machine made and it's to allow air circulation throughout the cap. Now if you're like me, if you have a sensitive head, you can certainly wear a bamboo wig liner underneath. I in honesty tend to wear a bamboo wig liner under the majority of my wigs. This is the gorgeous Maya from Jon Renau, Palm Springs Blonde that I'm wearing. The fact that we have something that I would say is more curly than wavy, that's really exciting because it can be quite difficult to find something that has an actual curl on the market. Yeah, but anyway, I need to stop talking. I'm going to go now. This was just to show you the gorgeous Maya from Jon Renau launched for 2021 fall. So take care, keep sparkling, be your own beautiful, and I will see you all very soon with some more wigs. Mwah. Bye!